Hey there, health lovers. Have you ever chopped an onion and wondered if those tears are worth it? Well, get ready, because today I'm unlocking the secret health benefits of onions. And trust me, you'll never look at this humble veggie the same way again. First off, onions are little powerhouses packed with antioxidants, especially quercetin, which is like a superhero for your cells. It helps fight inflammation, which can keep your heart healthy and maybe even lower your risk of some diseases. Pretty cool for something that grows underground, right? But wait, there's more. Onions are fantastic for your gut. They're loaded with prebiotics, which are basically food for the good bacteria in your tummy. That means better digestion, a happier gut, and yes, even a stronger immune system. You might not see the magic happening, but your body definitely feels it. Ever struggle with blood sugar spikes? Onions can help with that too. Thanks to their special plant compounds, they help regulate blood sugar, making them a secret weapon for anyone keeping an eye on their glucose levels. And here's a fun fact. The sharper the onion, the more health benefits it packs. So don't shy away from those red or yellow onions next time you're at the store. So, next time you're cooking, toss in some onions. Your body and your taste buds will thank you.
Kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more healthy diets tips.